opportunity to view your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities also. And there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and family members online that are given 5 years to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking a room in this property, let us try to help you.